In this video, we'll look at each line of the Hello World program in Go in detail. I have created a file called hello.go in the src folder which is present in the workspace. I'm going to be using Visual Studio to edit all the Go programs in this series, and I urge you to do so too. Usually when you open a Go program, a pop-up urges you to install the Go extension. The Go extension is a very useful tool while editing Go programs, as you will see in the upcoming videos. If for some reason the pop-up doesn't show up, click on the extension button on the left panel and search for Go. Tap the first result and click on install. Now, let's get to the Hello World program. Every Go program must start with a package declaration. Packages help in code separation and reusability. The package main tells the Go compiler that the package should compile as an executable program instead of a shared library. To bring in the functionality of another package in your program, use the import keyword followed by the package name. For this program, we're importing the FMT package, which stands for format. The next line of code is declaring the main function. A function is a block of code that performs a specific task and can be called from anywhere in a program. In Go, the function is declared by using the keyword func followed by the function name. When you run a program, the main function is the first to be executed. We'll talk about functions in detail in a later video. In our case, the body of the function contains only one line which prints hello world on the terminal. fmt.println followed by hello world in double quotes inside the brackets. FMT refers to the package that we imported earlier. We're then going to be calling the println function present in the FMT package using the dot operator. The println function takes one parameter. The string passed into the function is what is going to be displayed on the terminal. Like we saw in the previous video, we run a Go program using go run followed by the file name. As you can see, the string that we passed in the println function is what is printed on the terminal. I have created a GitHub repository with all the code that we'll be looking at in this playlist. The link to that repository is given in the description below. Stay tuned as we look at Go variables in the next video. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe for more on-point videos just like this one.